The objection to the obstruction in the new bill is not simply a personal matter, full stop. The obstruction is objectionable on several grounds, full stop. First, because it will certainly lead to a destruction of the opposition which has been so carefully arranged, and secondly, because the matter is one which falls under another jurisdiction, full stop. The introduction of various methods of production and reproduction has no bearing on the question, as the least retrospection would have shown beyond doubt, full stop. It may sound disrespectful, but my own view is that the architect and his friends, who are, I suspect, the authors of the bill, are simply unaware of the real circumstances of the case, and have not given the project the consideration it deserves, full stop, close.